Hi children, good morning. It is Monday and we are going to start a fresh week with our English. Last week, in the last video, we saw about T, the alphabet T, and Miss Juno would have also told you about the letter E. Right? So today we are going to see about it. How to trace E. Before that, we'll have a recap of what is E. Remember, Miss Juno would have showed you this. This is the letter E. Where do you all find it? Find the sound E in insects, injection, infant. Are you able to hear E? Are you all able to hear the sound E? Injury. Miss Juno told you more about injury, right? Injury. Then invitation, invite, invitation, igloo, iguana, ink. Miss Juno also told about how the ink has been spilled down, right? Ink. Okay, shall we see the words again? Insects, injection. Are you able to hear the sound E? Insects, injection, infant, injury, invitation, igloo, iguana, ink. Ink pot and ink. Okay. Where else you think like you can hear the sound E? As in India. Then what else? Chapati. Yes, correct. Chapati, idli, kulfi. Then Miss June also told about kiwi. E. Are you able to hear the sound E? Then tell me, where else will you hear the sound E? E. Inside, in. When you are inside, it's in. Then itchy. Yeah? Itchy. Then there is a color, indigo. E. Then you have puri, E, puri, roti, taxi, chili. Okay, good. See here, chapati. I have written E in red for you. Chapati, chili. Miss Juno told you about how to trace it in the sandpaper. E. Remember? Okay. Take your fingers, 2 fingers, and trace along. Draw a straight line and a dot. A straight line and a dot here. Clear? Straight line and a dot. Okay? E. Then we'll trace here. With your fingers, draw a straight line and a dot. E. We'll do it again. Draw a straight line and a dot. E. Clear? Okay. Now, see here. What we are going to do is, I'm going to trace it now for you. Shall we go ahead and trace it? Okay. I'm going to start. Starting from here, draw a straight line and keep a dot. Don't forget to keep a dot. Okay? Okay? We are going to draw a standing line and a dot. Don't forget to keep the dot. Shall we do it again? Standing line and a dot. E. Standing line and a dot. E. Standing line and a dot. E. As in India, idli, chapati, chilli, puri, roti. Okay? It's book time now. Today you will take your English workbook and go to page number 18. Are you able to see the picture of igloo? Okay, so as usual, phrase along, and we have also given a space for you to write alone. Without tracing, you can start writing alone here. Okay? Then go to page number 19. Here is an activity for you. What activity is it? It says, circle and color the pictures that begin with the sound E. You have to find the objects that begins with the sound E, and you have to circle it and color it. Okay. What is this? This is igloo. Does it sound E? You hear the sound E? Yes, igloo. You will color this and draw a circle around. What is this? This is an apple. Do you hear the sound E here? No. So you will not color or circle it. Then what is this? This is sun. Do you hear the sound E here? No. So then you will not color or circle it. What is this? This is ink. Ink. So you will color it and circle it. What is this? This is a cat. Do you hear the sound E? No. So you will not circle it or color it. This is tap. Do you hear the sound E? No. You are correct. So you will not color it or circle it. So you will color the color igloo, E, igloo, then E, ink. E, ink. Okay, you will color igloo and ink. Tomorrow you will do the homework from your homework notebook. The page number, the date is 27/7/2020. Okay, wherein you have tracing and writing the letter E, and you will also circle the picture that begin with the sound E. We'll do this exercise. Igloo. Igloo. Circle it. Igloo. Circle it. Do you hear the sound E? Yes. So, igloo. Circle it. Then, insects. Insects. Do you hear the sound E? Insects. You will circle it. Then, this is cat. Cat. Do you hear the sound E? Cat. No. So you will not circle it. This is ink. Ink. Do you hear the sound E? Ink. Yes, you will circle it. Then you have tap. Tap. Do you hear the sound E? No. So you will not circle it. Then you have iguana. Iguana. Are you able to hear the sound E? Yes, you will circle it. Then you have sun. Sun. Do you hear the sound E? No, so you will not circle it. Then you will trace E. Okay? Okay, this is for M1 children. I have another activity for Pre-Mon children. Another exercise for you for Pre-Mon children. Before getting into the exercise, some children would have got notebooks that has the picture of an igloo here, pasted here. Maybe a child, 1 or 2 would have got this picture pasted on your notebook. Okay? We regret the inconvenience. Please draw a picture of an igloo, or please remove it and take a print of an igloo and paste it here, so that it will be easier for the kid to trace along and know the sound E. Okay? That's a mistake from our side, sorry. Please remove this please try pasting a picture similar to this. You can either draw the picture of an igloo, or if it's possible for you, you can take a print of it and paste it over this, or just remove and paste it. Okay, we'll go to the exercise now. Trace along the space. So what you will do is, like as we have been tracing, you have to take 2 fingers and draw a line and a dot. Trace along, okay? You can use crayons, colorful crayons, to trace along and create a rainbow E. Okay? Okay. Then come to this page. As usual, we have been doing it earlier. You have to identify and circle the letter E. Where is it? You have to stop me when I find the letter E. Start. Stop. Correct. This is the letter E. Stop. E. Then where else do you find the letter E? E. You will circle here. Similarly, you have to do for the rest of the exercise. Then you will turn to the next page and you will circle the picture that begins with the sound E. I explained it earlier, right? Igloo, insects, they start with the sound E, so you will circle them. Ink, circle it. Iguana, circle iguana. Then you will not circle sun. Do you hear the sound E? No, so okay. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.